Hi everyone, this is Emily. Today we will be making a vegetarian dish which is called tofu roll. These are all the ingredients that we need. The first and also the most important ingredient is these bean curd sheets, the canned bamboo shoots, firm deep fried tofu, shiitake mushrooms, the spring onions, carrots, the soy sauce, sesame oil, sugar and salt. Soak the shiitake mushroom and when it is soft, cut into slices. This is how the bean curd sheets looks like when it is dry. You need to soak this in the water as well. The canned bamboo shoots, slice them into small pieces. And we are going to do the same thing with the firm deep fried tofu and also the carrots. Lots of cutting, and finally the spring onion. After that, we need to toast all the ingredients that we sliced earlier. First the carrot and the tofu for a minute, then followed by the bamboo shoots and the shiitake mushrooms. Now we can add the seasonings, which are the soy sauce, the sugar and salt. Finally, the spring onions and sesame oil to enhance the flavors. This is how the softened bean curd sheets looks like, and we have to cut them into a rectangle shapes. Add the ingredients in the middle, wrap it up. It should be very easy to seal when the bean curd sheet is softened, but if it doesn't, just use the corn flour water to seal it. There are 3 ways to cook the tofu roll: deep fry, pan fry, and steam. However, I don't recommend the deep fry method because it is very oily and the process can be a bit messy. If you want your tofu roll to be a bit crispy, then please go ahead with the pan fry method. Do it on both sides and the sides until they turn golden brown. Or if you want less cholesterol, steam is the best and also the easiest. Steam for about 5 to 10 minutes and we are done. You can have some sweet chili sauce to go with the pan fried roll or drizzle some oyster sauce on top of the steam roll. Very yummy and healthy vegetarian tofu roll is done. I personally prefer the steamed tofu roll, and which one do you like? Please share with your friends if you like this video, and we'll see you again next week. Bye bye!